I bet you didn't know Amazon's new AI is about to change everything. Amazon's latest project is set to shake things up. Amazon is quietly working on something groundbreaking, a multimodal AI model similar to ChatGPT's GPT-4. What does that mean? Imagine an AI that can not only understand text, but also images, sounds, and even videos. This secret project aims to revolutionize how we interact with technology. Think about it. Shopping with a virtual assistant that can see the product, hear your preferences, and give recommendations. Or customer service that not only chats, but also understands visual problems instantly. Amazon's AI could make your tech experiences smoother, smarter, and way more intuitive. It's like having a personal tech genius in your pocket. The AI model will be fully integrated with Amazon's ecosystem. Imagine controlling your smart home, ordering groceries, and playing music all with one AI assistant. So what's the takeaway? Keep your eyes on Amazon. They're about to change the game in a big way.